Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshu Gupta and in a HTML lecture series I am going to create a second HTML code. Okay, and why we are using HTML? Okay, so HTML is used for creating a web pages, and if you want to create any web page, okay, because you already know mobile and computer contains two things, like you are opening an application or software, okay, or web pages on the Google browser. Okay, so how to create software or application. For creating software and application we are using programming language like Python. Okay, but if you want to create a web pages which are open on server or in websites, so this web pages is created on a language called called HTML. Okay, hypertext markup language. Okay, so hypertext markup language is a generalized language for standard journal markup language. Okay, SGML. Okay, standard journal markup language. Okay, and after HTML we will discuss XML, extensible markup language. Okay, so what's the difference between HTML and XML? Okay, we will discuss it later. So currently, without wasting our time, we are going to discuss our second HTML code. Okay, and we already discussed in our last lecture, like if you want to create HTML code, so first of all HTML code contain two things, like HTML open, HTML close, then head open, head close, and body open, body close, because each and every web page contains two parts. First one is head part and second one is body part. Okay, in a head part we are given a title, and in a body part all the content will be displayed in front of you. Okay, so how can we create another web page, and what's the new thing we are going to discuss in this code? Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all you have to go to HTML application. Okay, we already told you how to open your HTML. First of all, go to Play Store and type HTML5, then in a HTML5 you can open your code. Okay, so this is my HTML code which are already given. Okay, so if you want to save this, then you can, yes, you can save. Okay, you can create a folder also, then you can create this save HTML code. Okay, so this HTML code. Okay, so this is my application. First of all, when you open your application, then go to the menu option inside which are displayed in the left of your screen. Okay, then go to the code playground and editor option, then type your code. I already typed, that's why I'm pasting this code. Okay, so this is my new HTML code. In this code, what I am doing to trying to do. Okay, first of all, HTML open, HTML close represent this HTML code. Okay, inside the HTML code there are two parts: number one, head part; number two, body part. Okay, inside a head tag, okay, inside a head tag we are given a title, this is my first web page, and inside a body tag I am written some content. Okay, let's see what the content is and how to display this content in my browser. Okay, and okay, remember student, when you want to create HTML code, then you need an editor. Okay, or like Notepad and whatever editor you are using. And when you want to save a code, then use .html extension, because these three things are very mandatory for the HTML users. Okay, if you want to create HTML code, then you need an editor. Okay, and when you want to save HTML code, then you have to save HTML code with the help of .html extension. And if you want to run HTML code, then you need a browser for running HTML code. Okay, and if any application provide you all the three things, then that means this application is called HTML application. Okay, so that's why we are using HTML5 application on mobile, and this application provide all three things. Like I am writing this code here, so this is the editor, and when I am saving this code with the help of .html, so this is an saving option also available, and when we'll click on output button, then we'll get the result. So this is our output option. Okay, so application contain all three things. That's why students are not worried for how can we save and how can we run this code. Okay, but if when we will create a code on desktop, then we have to open Notepad, then type the code, or then go to the save option and save HTML code with the help of .html extension, and then we will see the result on desktop. And when clicking on the desktop code on desktop, then we will get the result, and all the HTML code will run on browser. Okay, I also explain this code on desktop. Okay, so please wait. Okay, now not here we are going to discuss this. Okay, so in this code I am writing some new content, like inside a body I am using text equal to red and bg color equal to yellow. What is the meaning of this? Okay, so when you are using tag directly, no problem, tag contain some meaning, and this meaning will display it on your web page. But if you want to add some additional meaning on the tag, like I want to add that this body, whatever content inside a body, I want this content in a red color, okay, and all the body background color I want yellow. So when you want to add some special or additional thing on the tag, then that time you can use attributes, okay, and each an attribute contains some value. Like here, body is a tag, text is an attribute, and red is a value. BG color is also attribute, and yellow is a value, okay. So you can use body is a tag, and text is an attribute, and red is a value, okay. So what is the meaning of attribute? Attribute means a thing which are which have some additional meaning, and add some meaning for in a tag, and it will enhance the property of a tag, okay. It's called attribute, okay. So inside a body we are given some attribute, and this attribute property will apply all the body content, okay. Now we are going to the new tag like li. What is the meaning of li? Li means a list tag, okay. When you want your content will be displayed in a point wise, okay, in a bullets form, okay, like bullet means disk form, okay, solid disk form, okay, a dark solid disk form, okay. So we are using li tag, okay. Li means list tag, okay. So when you are using list, and list is not we are not closing list tag, because without closing this list also work, okay. So without wasting time, we are going to run this code, okay. We will click on output button, then we will get the result, okay. So this is my new web page, and this web page contains background color yellow, like this color will display with the help of BG attribute, and value is yellow, okay. And my text will be displayed with the help on a red color, because I am using text equal to red inside a body tag, okay. And body means all the content which are we are using or we are displaying is display on this web page, okay. Actually here I am here title is not displayed, because when you are creating a code on laptop or computer, then title tag will display in front of you, because then whole web page will display. But this is a mobile application, that's why this title is unable to display, okay. So don't worry, but you have to use a title tag in all the code, because this will enhance your practice, and when you will chance to run a code on desktop, then you can get the desired result, okay. So this in your HTML code, so you can save this code, okay. And after that you can save this code, click on save option, then whatever folder you want to save, so you can save in HTML code in HTML folder, okay. Then save it, okay. This folder is already exists, so you can go to this folder and you can save this HTML code, okay. Thank you. After this we will discuss our next code, okay, later, okay. Thank you, take care.